Good morning, Standard 7. Welcome once again in the civics period. Yesterday we had learned lesson number 1 of civics, and that is introduction to the parliamentary system. Okay, now we have to solve the exercise given on this, given on page number 70. Okay, but before that, let us revise the lessons once again so that it will get easy to find out the answers of the questions. Okay, let us revise the lesson. You just listen. Introduction to the parliamentary system. Lesson number 1, civics. Branches of the government and their functions: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Okay, legislature means Vidhimandal, and their function is to make laws. Okay, and then executive means Karyakari Mandal, and their functions is to implement laws and frame policies. Okay, and then third one is judiciary. Judiciary means Nyaya Vyavastha, to provide justice. Okay, now types of government system: parliamentary system and presidential system. Okay, now parliamentary system of government, contribution of England. The parliamentary system of government developed primarily in England. The English constitution is an unwritten constitution. Constitution यानी राज्य घटना, उसमें दिए गए रूल्स और रेगुलेशंस के मुताबिक ही क्या पूरे देश का राज्य कारभार चलाया जाता है. ठीक है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रूल्स गिवन इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. किसमें रूल्स दिए गए हैं? एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में, राज्य घटना में. द पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट डेवलप्ड प्राइमरली इन इंग्लैंड. Okay, the English constitution is an unwritten constitution where governance is carried out in accordance with traditions, customs, and conventions. The British Parliament has evolved over a period of time. The parliamentary system of government having its root in Parliament is thus considered as a contribution of England. Though India has adopted parliamentary system from England, both the systems tend to differ in certain aspects. हमने भी कौन सी अपना ही है, अडॉप्ट की है पार्लियामेंट्री सिस्टम. ओके, characteristics. Now let us see speciality, peculiarity, characteristics of parliamentary system in India. Okay, the legislature of central government is known as the parliament. The Indian parliament is composed of the president, Lok Sabha, and Rajya Sabha. Parliament के जो है वो कौन से किससे तैयार हुई है पार्लियामेंट? इट्स कंपोज्ड ऑफ द प्रेसिडेंट, लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा. ठीक है, मेंबर्स ऑफ द लोकसभा डायरेक्टली इलेक्टेड बाय द पीपल. लोकसभा के मेंबर हम चुन के देते हैं, हमारे रिप्रेजेंटेटिव, एंड देयर नंबर इज फिक्स, उनकी संख्या फिक्स रहती है. Elections to the Lok Sabha are held at regular interval. The candidates are directly elected by the people. The majority party forms the government. जो पार्टी जीतती है वो गवर्नमेंट फॉर्म करती है. Sometimes when no party gets a clear majority, few parties come together and form a coalition government. Coalition government means युति, गठबंधन. ओके, कई बार ऐसे होता है कि एक ही पार्टी को बहुमत नहीं मिलता है तो दो तीन पार्टियां मिला के एक पार्टी तैयार होती है, तो और वो कोएलिशन से यानी गठबंधन से यानी युति से वो अपनी सरकार बनाते हैं. देन उसे क्या कहेंगे? कोएलिशन गवर्नमेंट कहेंगे, राइट. द लीडर ऑफ द मेजॉरिटी पार्टी बिकम द प्राइम मिनिस्टर. जो पार्टी का मेजॉरिटी पार्टी का जो लीडर होता है वो क्या बनता है? प्राइम मिनिस्टर. ही सिलेक्ट्स कैंडिडेट्स टू फॉर्म टू द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर. काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर यानी मंत्रिमंडल. वो अपने मंत्रिमंडल में किसको लेना है या नहीं लेना है, फाइनल डिसीजन उनका रहता है, बिकॉज यू हैव दैट राइट. The Council of Ministers has to perform dual functions of implementing the laws and to fulfill responsibilities of the legislature. Okay. Now, responsible system of government. The Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers is responsible to the legislature for all their actions and policies. The Council of Ministers has to function taking the legislature into confidence. The decision taken by any ministry department is considered as the decision of the entire Council of Ministers. Now, no confidence motion. In the parliamentary system, the executive is dependent on the confidence of the legislature. In the Lok Sabha passes no confidence motion against the executive. It has to resign. Now, parliament is supreme. Okay. Why has India adopted a parliamentary system? Now let us see the reason why India had adopted the parliamentary system. हमने parliamentary system क्यों अपनाई है? See the reason behind it. Okay, the development of parliamentary institutions started during the British rule. ये कब start हुई parliamentary institution? ब्रिटिश रूल में, ब्रिटिश राज में, जब वो हमारे ऊपर राज्य कर रहे थे, है ना. द ब्रिटिश रूलर्स गवर्न इंडिया इन अकॉर्डेंस विद दिस सिस्टम. ये हमारा देश का राज्य कारभार ब्रिटिशर्स जो थे वो इसी सिस्टम के अनुसार चला रहे थे. ओके, इंडियंस वेर फैमिलियर विद दिस सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट, और इंडियंस भी ये सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट से क्या थे, अभी फैमिलियर हो चुके थे. The Constituent Assembly adopted this system after a thorough discussion. ये जो Constituent Assembly थी, जिन लोगों ने अपनी Constitution लिखी, उन्होंने डिबेट, डिस्कशन करके, डेलिब्रेशन करके इसको अपनाया, बनाया. ओके, a few changes were made in the parliamentary system to suit the Indian situation. और इंडिया के सिचुएशन से मैच होने के लिए इन लोगों ने उसमें क्या किया, कुछ चेंजेस भी किए. Okay, now importance given to discussion and deliberations. Discussions on questions related to public welfare are taken only after discussion in the parliament. Members of the opposition party also take part in this discussion. Okay, now next and the last one is that the characteristics of presidential system of government. Okay, ये हमने अभी तक देखा parliamentary system of government. Now presidential system of government. Okay, the president is the executive and elected directly by the people. यहाँ पर इस सिस्टम में क्या होता है, प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम में डायरेक्टली लोग चुन के देते हैं. ठीक है, तो द लेजिस्लेचर एंड एग्जीक्यूटिव आर नॉट डायरेक्टली डिपेंडेंट ऑन ईच अदर, दे कीप अ म्यूचुअल चेक ऑन ईच अदर. एग्जीक्यूटिव और लेजिस्लेचर का एक दूसरे के ऊपर चेक भी रहता है, कंट्रोल रहता है. द प्रेसिडेंट हैज पावर्स टू इम्प्लीमेंट लॉज. प्रेसिडेंट को बहुत सारे पावर मिलते हैं, कायदा भी वो बना सकते हैं. द यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका हैज अडॉप्टेड द प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. यूएसए में किसकी कौन सी सिस्टम है, प्रेसिडेंशियल सिस्टम. ओके, फ्रांस, जर्मनी, स्विट्जरलैंड एक्सेट्रा हैव अडॉप्टेड डिफरेंट सिस्टम्स ऑफ गवर्नमेंट अदर देन द अबाउट टू. नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. ओके, दिस इज पेज नंबर given on page number 70. See, keep a pencil in your hand and mark. Okay, parliamentary system of government developed in England. What is the right answer? England. England is the right answer. Then in the presidential system, dash is the executive head. Answer is the president. What is the answer? The president. In the presidential system, the president is the executive head. Okay, now complete the information in the following table. See on the blackboard. See the blackboard here. See, name of the institution, legislature, function to make laws. ठीक है? See on the blackboard. Legislature and its function. Function means वो कौन सा काम करते हैं? To make laws. Okay. Then next number, executive. Executive to implement laws and frame policies. Executive का function कौन सा है? To implement laws and frame policies. And judiciary function to provide justice. Take a screenshot and note down in your copy. Okay, answer is before you. Clear? Now one extra question is given here on the blackboard. I solve the question to note down this extra question, and the question is that complete the concept map. Question is that complete the concept map. You see here, complete the concept map. This is the extra question. See, components of the parliament. Components of the parliament. कौन से हैं? President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. President, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha are called the components of the parliament. You have to write this answer in chart format. Okay. Now, next, types of government system. See here, types of government system, parliamentary system and presidential system. Okay, types of government system, parliamentary system and presidential system. Number 3, here see branches of the government. Branches of the government, legislature, executive and judiciary. Only 3 branches of government is there: legislature, executive and judiciary. Okay, you have to note down this question answers in your copy, and this is your homework. Here, okay. This is one. Complete the concept map. Once again, complete the concept map, components of the parliament, president, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. Then types of government system, parliamentary system and presidential system. And number 3, branches of the government, legislature, executive and judiciary. Is it clear? Now, take a screenshot of this on the blackboard. Now next, I explain the following statements with reasons. India adopted the parliamentary system of government. India adopted the parliamentary system of government. Go to on page number 69. Page number 69 में देखो. See, why did India adopt a parliamentary system of government? Given, see the paragraph of first paragraph. India adopted the parliamentary system of government for several reasons से लेके to suit the Indian situation. वहां तक आपको लिखना है. You have to note down. Complete one para. Complete first para. Complete the first para of why did India adopt a parliamentary system of government. See once again page number 69. 69 में right side में देखना. Colorful इसमें दिया हुआ है. तो उसका जो first para है, you have to note down that paragraph. Okay. Now next. Second number, see, discussion and deliberations are important in the parliamentary system of government. See, page number again 69. Again, why did India adopted? वो जो है अभी हमने जो आंसर लिखा उसके नीचे जो पैराग्राफ दिया हुआ है, note down that complete paragraph. Okay. Discussion and deliberations are an integral part of the parliamentary forms. ये जो ऊपर वाला अभी हमने आंसर लिखा पैराग्राफ का, उसके नीचे वाला जो पैराग्राफ है डिस्कशन एंड डेलिब्रेशंस वाला जो है वो टू मेक प्रॉपर लॉज अप टू नोट डाउन कंप्लीट पैराग्राफ. Note down complete paragraph. Second para. Okay. Answer the following in 25 to 30 words. What is the responsible government? What is the responsible government? Page number 69. Answer is given on page number 69. See. लेफ्ट साइड. हाँ, लेफ्ट साइड देखो 69 पेज नंबर. लेफ्ट साइड में the prime minister and the council of minister is responsible to the legislature for all their actions and policies. यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना तो कहाँ तक करोगे आप? डिसीजन तक लिखना है. डिसीजन the entire council of minister is responsible for the decision. Okay. In the next 2 chapters वहां से नहीं लिखना है. You have to write up to the entire council of ministers is responsible for the decision. Okay. Now next. Enumerate the characteristics of the presidential system of government. Page number 70. Page number 70 में following are some features of the system of government. ये जो है यहाँ से first only note down only first paragraph. Note down only first paragraph. Okay. Enumerate the characteristics of the presidential system of government. Note down only first paragraph. Following are some features of this system of government. ये जो है left side में देखो page number 70. See the left side में last paragraph. In the presidential form of government से लेके lots of power including power to implement laws. Up to this mark it and note down in your copy. This is the answer. This is the second answer. Okay. Why is the role of opposition parties important? Write your opinion. You just listen the answer. I will send the answer of this question in the group. See, just listen the answer. The role of opposition parties is important in parliamentary as well as presidential system of government. The opposition parties participate in the discussions and point out the shortcomings in the policies of the government. Shortcomings means weaknesses. Then the opposition parties control the executive through their arguments based on deep study of the topics discussed in the parliament. Opposition party क्या करती है? जो भी टॉपिक आने वाला है उसके डीप स्टडी करती है और फिर क्या करते हैं वो? The opposite parties control the executive और executive के ऊपर कोशिश करती है कंट्रोल करने की, है ना, उनके through their argument के द्वारा. हाँ, the executive cannot behave in an indispensable manner due to the pressure of the opposition parties. The alertness of the opposition parties help in avoiding wrong practices like corruption, ignoring public welfare, पासिंग पार्टी लॉज एक्सेट्रा, यानी ये सब जो है ना ये बातें नहीं हो सकती। क्यों? क्योंकि अपोजिशन पार्टी जो रहती है वो बहुत ही अलर्ट रहती है और उनको कहाँ पर कहीं पर भी कुछ गलती नजर आती है वो तुरंत क्या करते हैं, पॉइंट आउट करते हैं। दैट्स व्हाई द अलर्टनेस ऑफ द अपोजिशन पार्टीज हेल्प इन अवॉइडिंग रॉन्ग प्रैक्टिसेस लाइक करप्शन। इसलिए करप्शन नहीं होता है कहीं पर भी, इग्नोरिंग पब्लिक वेलफेयर, या लोगों के लिए जो बातें चीजें करनी चाहिए वो ध्यान से की जाती है, उसको नजरअंदाज नहीं कर सकते। एंड पासिंग पॉलिटी लॉ, या फिर कोई भी ऐसा लॉ हम वो पास नहीं कर सकते कि जो लोगों के लिए ठीक नहीं हो। ओके, नाउ हियर our question answers are over, and tomorrow in the next period we will learn a new lesson. Okay, note down answers and I will send the answer of this question in the group. Take a screenshot, this is your homework, note down all these in your copy. Okay, I solved the question on the blackboard, right? I have solved the question on the blackboard. You say okay, fine, take a screenshot. And now my period is over. Bye bye. Take care.